So hey guys, today I wanted to bring you guys along as I clean the boys' room. This is a shared space. I'm gonna show you what it's looking like. No judgment, it's boys. This is what you get when you have boys. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now. So we just got back from a weekend trip, so they took the things out of their bags and just placed them on their chair. So I just have to hang these clothes up, determine what's dirty, and put them in the laundry. I'm gonna wash their sheets, their beddings, like I did in the girls' room as well. Pick up their toys. So this is what we're working with. They have the biggest room out of all the kids, I can say, because they do share their room, this room, and one of the boys is older. So yeah. So we're gonna clean it up before they get home from school, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so this is where I'm at right now. It may seem like I haven't done much, but I have. I've collected all the clothes from all the random areas. I just got to get that right there. I have this small garbage here, just collecting garbage. I organized their closet up, hung up some clothes. Hi. And yeah, so this is where I'm at. Right now, I'm just going throughout the room to collect any garbage I see. I'm trying to move quick too because I'm trying to finish before they are out of school. So this is where we're at. so the camera died. Update. This is what the room is looking like. I added these bins here just to have the toys that he plays with constantly. This is another bin of toys. That's a bin of toys. So yeah, I organized their shoes. I had moved this just to mop and everything fell off. So I organized that. This here is done. I just have to wipe this down. Have to take these clothes off of the top of their beds, make their beds. I've mopped all over there. What else? I wiped down the walls right here. I don't know what they be doing. The walls were dirty. I think they be playing ninja or something, but I wiped the walls down. So yeah. See you guys in a bit for another update. Okay guys, I have put all the clothes away and now I'm about to make the bed. So yeah, there's a toy playing in one of the bins. I have to find and cut it out, but yeah, this is what it's looking like. I still have to mop this whole area and I still have to organize this, but everything on this side of the room is technically done.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, so the kids are about to come home. I still have to put the sheet on that red bed right there. He has the same one in green. I'm gonna record this now because if they come home, they're gonna want to be in their space, and I don't want to record when they're being, you know, want to be in their comfort, their room. So this is what it's looking like. If you remember what it looked like at the beginning, and this is now. I actually created in this side of the room more space because I put the bin that was out here in the closet. I don't know if I showed you the closet at the beginning, but I cleaned out the closet. These are the bins that were out here. That one with the wrestling cage, that bin was by the door. And I moved it in here because it fits perfectly. Both of these bins are their toys, so it'll be okay that it's in there. Oh, I found the connection to put this LED light around their closet door, green and red, because that's the theme of their room. Those are their favorite colors. Back here, we have his robe, the youngest robe, the towels. I wiped down the cubicles. So this is what it's looking like. I know when they come home that it's gonna be unexpected because I didn't tell them that I was gonna clean up. So they're, I'm pretty sure, gonna be comfortable. Boys don't like to clean up, but they sure like to be in a comfortable space. And I'm happy that I was able to get some energy today to clean up for them. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. I was super excited to film this video today as always, and see you guys next time.